From simple machines to intelligent humanoids, the evolution of robotics is reshaping our world. It all began in the 1960s with the Unimate, the first industrial robot. Designed to work tirelessly on assembly lines, it revolutionized manufacturing. Over the decades, robots became smarter and more precise, automating tasks across industries from car production to electronics. By the 2000s, robots moved beyond factories. They started assisting in delicate surgeries, exploring hazardous environments, and optimizing logistics. Now, we're entering the era of humanoid and adaptive robots. These machines can walk, run, and even mimic human gestures, bridging the gap between humans and technology. Looking ahead, robots could become companions, collaborators, and even explorers, paving the way for life on Mars or caregiving on Earth. From assembly lines to humanoids, the journey of robotics is a story of relentless innovation. What role will robots play in your future? Subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and innovation.